when you knocked upon my door early this morning, when you knocked upon my door, and I say, hello Satan, I believe it is time to go. Me and the devil walking side by side. Me and the devil walking side by side. And I'm gonna see my man until I get satisfied. You don't see why, and you dog me around. Say, don't see why people dog me around. It must be that old evil spirit, so the
on your desk, construction.